Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Oleg and Watcher of Realms. Obtaining Oleg and Watcher of Realms mainly involves using the game's summoning system. Since he is a 4-star epic hero, to increase your chances of getting him, head to the summoning section and focus on banners that include epic heroes in the reward pool. Not all summoning events features Oleg, so it's important to check the summon details before using your resources. Banners that use rare summoning crystals are often reliable options, as they typically contain a broader selection of epic heroes, including Oleg. Some special summoning events may offer bonus rewards such as increased legendary drop rates or additional hero bonuses, which can provide extra value depending on your goals. However, legendary focused banners may not always include him, so reviewing the available hero list is essential. Ultimately, acquiring Oleg depends on luck, so continue summoning during suitable events to improve your chances of adding him to your roster. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.